Have you ever sat down to a plate of fried rice and thought it could use just a little something extra? Maybe more color, more texture, or even a little protein boost? That's where edamame comes in, and yes, you can absolutely put edamame in fried rice. In fact, once you try it, you might wonder why it's not already a standard ingredient in every version you've ever eaten. Edamame, with its bright green color and slightly nutty, buttery flavor, fits right into fried rice like it was always meant to be there. Imagine a bowl of golden rice cooked with garlic, onions, soy sauce, and maybe a splash of sesame oil. Now picture the pop of green edamame scattered throughout, adding not just a burst of color, but also a delightful chewiness that contrasts beautifully with the soft grains of rice. It transforms fried rice from a simple side dish into something heartier and more balanced. Because edamame is packed with protein and fiber, it makes the dish more filling without making it heavy. That's why so many people love tossing it in. It's an easy way to turn fried rice into a complete meal. The great thing about edamame and fried rice is how flexible it is. You can keep it simple with just rice, edamame, and a few aromatics, or you can build it up with other veggies like carrots, peas, bell peppers, or corn. It also pairs wonderfully with eggs, tofu, chicken, shrimp, or beef, depending on your preference. Some people even use edamame as the main protein in vegetarian or vegan fried rice, and it works perfectly because it gives that satisfying bite without needing meat. Cooking with edamame is also incredibly easy. If you're using frozen shelled edamame, you just need to boil or steam them for a few minutes, then toss them into the pan while you're stir-frying your rice. They hold their texture well, so they won't get mushy, and they soak up all the flavors from the soy sauce and seasonings around them. The result is a dish that tastes vibrant, comforting, and satisfying all at once. So if you're looking to upgrade your fried rice, don't hesitate to add edamame. It's colorful, nutritious, and brings a unique twist to a classic dish. Next time you're in the kitchen and craving something quick yet wholesome, grab that bag of edamame and stir it right in. You'll be surprised at how something so simple can make fried rice taste brand new.